Video 4 on robustness. This time we're talking about removing white space. So I'm going to refer back to the same program as the last video. So if you remember, we improved the capital guessing game program by making it so that the user could enter in lowercase or uppercase or mixed case, and they weren't penalised for that. Okay, we just want them to have fun and play the game. They should be allowed to kind of answer the question like that. So we're going to do something similar again now, but what we're looking at is what happens if they do something quite unfortunate like this. So they've got the answer correct, but then they accidentally put a space at the end. So then we have this problem. The program thinks that's the wrong answer, because obviously the string Bucharest with a space is never going to return true when compared with the string Bucharest without the space at the end. So another helpful method we can do with this is strip. And what strip does is it removes characters from the start and the end, and if you leave the argument blank when the method is called, it just removes any white space characters, so tabs, carriage returns, spaces, etc. So with that in place, it should now work. So this time I'll do spaces at the front. The capital of Montenegro is Podgorica. Again, I'm worried about my spelling. Okay, it worked. So even though I put 4 spaces at the start of the string, it still recognised that that was the correct answer. However, this doesn't perfectly kind of solve our problem. So the user may make another mistake. So for example, if for some reason they think London is 2 words, like this, London, the program isn't at the stage where it can forgive that. So then we want to put in some kind of extra functionality to make it so that we can remove spaces from the middle of the string. And another string method is replace. Again, nice and easy. The replace method takes 2 arguments. The first one is the string to replace, and the second argument is what to replace it with. So if we just say this, so look every time there's a space, and replace it with nothing. And what you have to do is, it doesn't quite work the same as some of the list methods, so it doesn't mutate the data. You have to reassign. So if I'm using it like this, so guess equals guess.replace the space with nothing. So that should help us out now. So, oops, let's just close the window. So now I should be able to put spaces inside my answer like this. I mean, I'm not sure why the user would want to do this, but it's just a way of making the program more robust and kind of not detracting from what it's about. So the person got the answer correct. The capital of Portugal is Lisbon, so they should get a point. They should get the right answer.